Hello and welcome to this World Highways Roundtable on how the digital revolution is transforming life on site for the better. We've invited three leading experts on machine control technology from Leica, Topcon and Trimble. They're here to tell us how their systems are improving the ability to work efficiently and cost-effectively on the ground. So what are the real benefits out there in the real world? Let's find out then from our key opinion leaders.
There's so many, but I will home in on a few. So, machine operators can work more efficiently, better access to information, which could be the same design or the right design, for instance. Site safety is also increased because people need to spend less time near machines. Environmental targets, and then reporting is simple as well. What we're looking at is going from machine control to site control solutions, which is maybe the more important thing that you see today. We are connecting things, which means we're not just having a machine control solution separated from the survey solutions or from the scanning solutions or whatever. So the workflows, we are connecting everything into one data capture, you can say. And we have also this in our cloud solution, and I'm quite sure that everyone is looking at how can you get data in to make, I wouldn't say a complete sort of backbone, you can call it, or ecosystem for that, which is connecting office, field, cloud. One thing is clear, we have to make sure that we do the right data, we utilize the right data for the right people on site. And this is something that also I believe is getting better and better, because the operator in the machine is only one part of this whole ecosystem. We have to think about the site foreman, we have to think about the site manager, and then we have several dozen more of these personas that we have to make sure they are on top of what the machines are doing, and then where the project is more or less in timelines or profitability or productivity.
As we can continue to get higher and higher adoption, the more individuals or companies on a particular job site, or the larger percentage of a fleet that can be equipped with the technology, will provide pretty much a linear relationship to the benefits that are being deployed on that job. Today, or historically, I would say, you might have a customer with, say, a fleet of 10 machines, whether it be some combination of excavators, bulldozers, etc. And they may only have control systems on 2 of those machines, and maybe be thinking, well, I don't want to spend the extra money to outfit 5 or 6 of my 10 machines. I'm going to do just these 2, and I'm going to utilize them for finish grade, because finish grade is where the bulk of the money is made for the customer. Because as Magnus said, the data is being collected now on the machines and on the job, and that data can be turned into information once you get a fleet and you get more and more participation from the fleet. And then of course that has implications for the customer to really understand in real time, whether it be asset utilization and needing to know, oh, I'm behind schedule, I need to get an extra machine out here for 2 weeks to get caught up because there may be a bottleneck in the overall schedule, or I'm ahead of schedule and I can take this machine, instead of having it parked out here sitting doing nothing for a week, I can get the flatbed over, move it to a second job site where I may be behind or I want to get ahead, and be able to utilize those assets to the maximum amount possible.
The 5 key benefits we see are better, so high quality, faster, safer, greener, and more efficient now as well, right? So there's no doubt about the improvement that the technologies have on the efficiency and sustainability. And as Jamie mentioned, the asset utilization, right, or machine utilization. And then there's tools that can be made or used to optimize that machine utilization so that you further improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the assets, and therefore improve the sustainability. There's a number of areas where the technology is actually contributing to better output at the moment. We talk about safety. Safety is becoming a bigger and bigger thing. It's always been important. The construction industry is probably, I would say, leading the world when it comes to a safety culture. There's no doubt about it that the machine control technology enables safety on site, and I think what we're going to see is increased safety elements built into the machine control technologies as well. Personnel detection and machine detection, collision detection, avoidance zones for utilities and pipes and that kind of stuff.
So as we've just heard, Machine-controlled surfaces mean a better quality finish and more profitability. Magnus told us that we're connecting everything in one giant data capture ecosystem to help operators work more efficiently and more safely. Jamie explained that more information means better fleet utilisation and fewer bottlenecks. And from Scott, it's all about a higher quality, faster, safer, greener and more efficient outcome. Well, we do hope that you've enjoyed today's snapshot of our World Highways Roundtable series. Make sure to check out the full discussion by visiting www.worldhighways.com/videos. Enjoy, and we'll see you very soon.